That's so mad. That is actual mad.
Nowhere to hide.
Oh, wait a minute.
This is fully not fair. I'm against the fucking number 2 fucking best player.
Choose a talent.
Oh, fucking mid-div's missing.
That ripped me, doesn't it? I can see you wanted to pull me in, but I'm not gonna fall for it.
Heroes gather tribute and earn my favor.
Should we just leave that?
Fight for my
I mean, I think we should contest, honestly.
Alright, I'm going back for it.
will enjoy this.
It's only mid-div. Go for it, go for it. Take it.
Oh, mad. There's 2 more these though, yeah.
I'm so dead.
Same.
Oh, shield,
Get
though,
healed,
shield,
get
shield,
healed.
shield. I'm coming in bare shot.
Yeah, let's go this guy.
I'm getting it. Coming.
Go for it. Wow.
That would have been a mad play though, don't lie.
I'm going up to soak mid.
I'm going back top. They're just playing with us right now. I just bouncing.
Maybe.
This is my round. To victory.
Ah, but come on though, number 2, like, come on. What's that?
Running wild. Choose a talent.
Oh, I don't know whether to go to my usual quest or not.
My curse will be their undoing.
Fuck
No,
it.
no, don't go for that.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, fuck.
I'm so dead.
I keep thinking, like,
Right?
I'm telling you
Right?
that mid-div could pull madness. He solo killed me, like, so easily. I'm coming in as well.
I'm not gonna lie, the hacker's kind of shit, but everyone else is good, I guess.
It's still master, bro. The race car is here.
Oh wow, that was a fucking good
Oh, safe, man.
I'm dead though. He was fresh. Oh, I didn't get to fucking kill this guy. Oh, he's so good at escaping. What the fuck?
What?
Oh,
Deep, bro.
This one's finished.
Fucking mid-div, bro.
The deep fucking wars. Oh my god.
Fucking mid-div, bro.
Oh, don't try get it now. What? I don't know where. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
No, I'm doing it. I'm coming. Do it, Mina, do it!
Ouch, you're getting cancer.
What the fuck?
Oh, that was super long range.
Oh, the protection. That's so weird.
Somebody just gets kidnapped. Someone take that shit.
Most assuredly.
Holy shit. Oh god, no, this shit needs to be recorded.
I'm recording that little bit.
Like,
We're still
somehow
losing.
fucking, like, we're
Yeah.
afloat, you know, like we're